Hello fellow makeup lovers, how are you guys doing today? I am super excited for this video because I thought we would do something a little bit different. I don't know, I was just feeling it. So today we are going to be doing a Target haul because I went to Target, obviously, and I brought the goods back with me. I actually found like a lot of really good deals today, and I like try to make it a point to like force myself to leave the house sometimes because I do work from home, that I can tend to like get in like a little bit of a like mental rut if I don't leave. So today it just happened to be a little Target run with my son, got some Starbucks. It's been a fun day, but I just thought I would share with y'all what I found, what I got. And if you like content like this, just let me know. Like I said, I know it's different than what I normally do, but we're still talking about beauty, fashion, having fun, so let's just go ahead and jump on in. Okay, so I'm kind of just pulling at random, but I'm gonna start with this backpack that I thought was so cute. So I mean, I guess this is kind of the problem about me, but I actually added like a cute little backpack to like my like future wish list of like gift ideas, because I feel like whenever anyone asks me like, oh, what did you want? I never have any ideas. So I was thinking like, oh, I want a cute little backpack. So that was on my list, but then I saw this at Target today. It was only $20 and I just thought it was so cute. Like, I'm such a sucker for a good color block, and I thought the colors on here is like all the fall vibes. It was only $20, so I couldn't resist. It is the brand Wild Fable. I'll try to link whatever I can for y'all if I find anything on the online Target, but I did purchase everything in store. Yeah, so I think that's gonna be super, super cute for when I don't feel like wearing a purse. Okay, next I grabbed this cute little pair of shorts, which were on clearance. So these are the Daydreamer shorts in the size medium, and it says they were originally $15. I got them for $4.49. But it says be kind to your mind, and I mean, they're just like a really light pair of sweat shorts. I feel like are perfect like pajama type vibes around the house. I mean, that's like what I wear majority of the time. So I just thought for, you know, under $5 they were cute. These shorts look kind of ridiculous. I feel like they're like, the shorts are like so long where like you feel like you should pull them up higher, but then they're like so high up that it just feels strange. I also grabbed a pair of socks that were on clearance. These were normally $7. I grabbed them for $3.50, but they have little crabs on them. I just thought they were so cute. They're super, super soft, and they actually match a pair of pajamas that I got, which I don't know why it matters, but I'm all about it. I'm probably gonna wear these with those pajamas tonight and just feel my cutest, comfiest self. Okay, so I'm like grabbing so at random, but I also went ahead and grabbed some coffee. So this is the caramel apple good and gather coffee. I've never tried this one before, but last time I was at Target, I just randomly tried their caramel macchiato coffee grounds, and I will say that it's very sweet, very light roast. I feel like a lot of people who are like coffee snobs probably wouldn't like it, but I really liked it. I thought it was super yummy, so I thought I would try the caramel apple this time. I'm excited about it. Okay, next I did grab one piece of makeup, and this is from the Lip Bar, which is a brand I've wanted to try for a really long time, but I just never kind of got around to it. So I was strolling through the Target makeup aisle. I saw the Lip Bar and I was like, you know what, let me just pick out a gloss and try it out. So I grabbed the shade Miss Independent because I thought the color was like a really pretty nude, and I also love the name. I used to be obsessed with the song Miss Independent by Kelly Clarkson. Like, I don't know, still to this day, if I turn it on, like, it just gives me all the vibes. But here is what the lip gloss looks like. It has some really, really cute packaging. I don't have it on my lips, actually. The color looks pretty similar to what I do have on my lips. I'm wearing the Rare Beauty Nearly Neutral, so it's a pretty similar vibe. Let me see. We'll do a little swatch. Oh, okay, so it is super pigmented. It's a really pretty kind of like brownie nude with just a little tiny bit of pink in it. I'll just throw some on over top. Oh yeah. Super pigmented, really pretty though. I feel silly because it is a mixture of two lip glosses now that I'm like, I don't know if it's this that I'm loving, but it is super, super glossy. So I feel like it's really nice. I'll definitely be reaching for that in the future. You know, I love a good nude gloss. So next I grabbed two things from the Target dollar look little section. I feel like I always skip that part of Target because my Target, it's always like so full of people, and I'm just like not about it. But today it was actually kind of empty. So I went ahead and grabbed these building blocks for my son in like Halloween colors. He actually already has a pack of these. and he loves them. And then we also grabbed a cute little trick-or-treat cup that has like a pumpkin on it. All the vibes. Also, it was kind of legit because my son wanted this Buzz Lightyear toy and I was kind of iffy about it. Like I scanned it with my Target app. I was like, okay, it's $20, whatever. You can get it. And then I was in the self-checkout, and when I scanned it, the thing just started going off that like I needed help, and I was like, what is going on? I don't know why I did that. Like I was just, you know, checking out like I normally do, no problem. And the lady came up and was like, oh, like what was the last thing you scanned? And she just added it in for $5. I don't know why, but I'm not mad at it. So yeah, we got lucky today. Okay, next I grabbed a little like hoodie, little cropped hoodie. I haven't tried anything on yet from the clothes, so like I guess I can like maybe like do like little video inserts as I go through. But here's what it looks like. So this was like in the junior section. It's Wild Fable. I did go ahead and get a large just because I wanted it to be a little bit more roomy. But I don't know why. I mean, I know it's like a very basic, like it's just like a little crop hoodie, but I don't have anything like this. And I was just imagining this with like a cute pair of like ripped skinny jeans or whatever, and some Converse, some Vans, and I thought it would be really, really cute. I don't know why these are so long, but I feel like this is giving like fall, bonfire, simple casual vibes. Okay, next I grabbed some pajamas. I'm telling y'all, if you have a Target near you and you have not tried anything from Stars Above, their pajamas are the best. They're so soft. Like it's pretty much impossible for me to go in Target and not purchase one of their pairs of pajamas because I love them so much. But I went ahead and grabbed a like actual like shirt dress pajama moment in this like really cute kind of tie-dye like light peachy moment. I have something similar to this where it's like blue and purple from them as pants, and I love it, but these are just so soft, it's ridiculous. Here's the pajamas. I mean, they're pajamas, but so cute. Ooh, okay, next I'm so excited about this. I saw this in like the purse section and I was like, what the heck is that? Like that looks so strange. And then when I opened it up, I was like, I have to get it. So this is from Bright Room, and it says that it's a travel accessory box. They only had it in white, unfortunately. Like I don't really like to buy things in white because I feel like I get them dirty. I would have loved to have this in like a light pink or a purple, green, whatever. But I decided to get it anyways just because I thought it was really useful. So it's a little like jewelry to-go box. So, you know, you could put rings, earrings, there's like these little spaces as well, and then here you have a mirror, it pulls down, and you could also put necklaces. I am so excited about this because I feel like whenever I travel, I love having a few different like jewelry pieces to choose from, and I always end up throwing it in random spots. Like I've lost jewelry before like for months because it was just in random pockets of bags, or like I'll throw it in like my little glasses case, like just so random. So I felt like this was actually perfect. It's also super sturdy. It was like $15, but I just felt like this would be super perfect for anytime you're traveling anywhere, honestly. Just, I love it. Next, I'm pretty excited about this because I got 2 pairs of shoes on like super clearance. I feel like Target's shoe section, at least my store personally, is always a gigantic mess. I can never find anything, and they like have shoes on top, but then they never have the boxes that coordinate. You can never find your size. It's just a disaster. But today they had like this full clearance section, and it was actually kind of easier to see. So, you know, I just looked and saw if there was anything my size because everything was like super cheap. So I ended up getting this pair of sandals. Like the whole box is falling apart, but let me see. These say they were originally $20, and I got them for $5.99. Like $5.99 for a pair of sandals. I feel like you just can't beat. So they're just like these cute little, just yellow. They're kind of a little bit interesting, but I just thought they were cute. And I mean, I just don't own that many pairs of sandals because actually I find it hard to find sandals that are like wide enough for my feet. But these actually did fit pretty well, and like I said, I mean, $5, like, hard to pass up. They had a lot of cute shoes too that I just couldn't find my size in, but I was happy I found those. I mean, these are definitely more summery shoes, but it's not like my feet are gonna change. It's still a great deal to wear next summer. So this other pair I love even more. These I got for $7.49, and they were originally $25, and they're so cute. Like just adorable. I mean, they're not like, I feel like they're more like casual. They've got like a little puff, but they were like a cute version, because they did have some puffy ones that look like scrunchies on your feet, and it wasn't my vibe. But these have extra padding. They're supposed to be like super comfortable. They did feel comfortable when I tried them on. Okay, next. I don't even know about this. I went back and forth and I ended up purchasing it, and I was like, you know what, if it doesn't work out, if it doesn't fit, I'll just return it, no big deal. I don't know if anyone else is like me, but I literally hate trying stuff on in store, especially like with a kid and you've got like a whole cart and it's just a whole thing. I would rather just go home, try it on. If it doesn't fit, I'll go back. And Target's returns, from like my previous experiences, they're normally super fast and easy to do. So I got this dress that I saw on clearance. It's just like this red roost dress, and it has like these cute little straps. It was on clearance for $14, originally $28, and I got it in a medium. I don't know, I think this is a junior's, so I was like slightly considering a large, but I couldn't find one, so it's like, it's a medium, hopefully it fits, and it's like pretty stretchy, and I think it's supposed to be a little bit more of a tight dress, so we'll see. So I went back and forth on this because I was like, where am I gonna wear it? But also at the same time, there was a dress really similar to this that I almost purchased from Classy Network, but it was like $65. I thought it would be like the perfect date night dress, but then I couldn't pull through. I was like, $60, I don't know, like, I don't even know when I'm gonna wear it. So I thought I would just try out the style and we'll see if it works. I mean, I'm gonna insert a clip. Okay, y'all, so I definitely need some nippies with this dress, so that's why I'm covering, but it's actually so cute for $14. Ma'am. I actually almost wish I'd gone the small because it's so stretchy. I mean, definitely a date night dress. I also got like the cutest bralette. Not gonna be trying this on, sorry, but I was like, that is adorable. Like, I don't know, the light green and the dark green. I was all about it. I love a good bralette. This line, Auden at Target, they actually have some really, really cute stuff. I have like a yellow lacy bra from them that I love. Okay, we are almost at the end. I think I had a little bit too much fun today, but I also grabbed these shorts that I'm not sure about at all. This was another one where I was like, it's just such a good deal. Like, let me just try them. If it doesn't fit, it doesn't fit. It's fine. So these are some Universal Threads high-rise midi shorts. I don't have anything from this brand. I don't know. I got a 6 because I feel like in women's, sometimes I wear a 6, and I did do like the little trick where you put it around your neck, you know, so you put it around your neck, and if it fits, then it's supposed to fit your waist. To me, I was like, this might be a little tight. It might be a squeeze. But I think because this is high rise that it should be okay. So like I said, this was a good deal. These were $7, originally $25. And I just thought like the burgundy color was super, super cute. This is another fail. These shorts, they're like literally giving like the worst camel toe ever. I'm embarrassed. And they just fit so funny. Like, they do technically fit my waist, but no, absolutely not. So lastly, I grabbed a graphic t-shirt. I always look in Target's graphic t-shirt aisle just because I feel like they're super, super cute. Even the shirt that I'm wearing today, it says kindness grows from within, and it's got like all the Disney princesses on it. I love it. But today I saw this one, and I'm such a sucker for Mickey Mouse because my son loves Mickey Mouse. When I see something with Mickey or Minnie, I normally get it, especially for like t-shirts. I just think it's cute. It's very mom of me, but I don't care. This one was only $9. And it was ridiculous because I went through the entire pile trying to find a medium, and it ended up being the very last shirt. But it is a Halloween Mickey Mouse shirt, which I thought was so, so cute. And like, as soon as my son saw it, he was like, you have to get it, you have to get it. So I always like kind of tuck my t-shirts into my jeans right there. But again, super cute. Don't know what else to say. It's a t-shirt. All right, y'all, so that is everything that I got from Target. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.